like, okay, now it's recording, but then it cuts off more of our heads. Just like, so we fit in the frame.
Hi guys, it's Alana here.
Hello guys, it's Alana here, and today I have a special someone with me. Hee hee. You go hee hee instead of saying your name.
Tiffany. My name's Tiffany.
Okay, we've known each other for so long, but you've never been in any of my videos yet.
We've done one video, but like we didn't post it, so that's the only thing. But
that was probably like 2 years ago.
Yeah, I'm in her life all the time. We just never record each other or like we're not on camera.
Yeah, but today, I mean, we got Duncan to start off with, and it was funny because we were texting last night, right, trying to plan out today, and the first thing that we planned was the coffee part.
Yeah,
I'm like, that's how you know we're meant to be. And then yeah, so we got Duncan, but we're going on a little mini day road trip.
Yeah.
To where?
Are we gonna tell them? Austin.
I was trying not to spit out my coffee. I was like,
are we telling them where we're going?
Yes. So I officially finished my school semester, thank gosh, because that was super stressful. So we're just getting away for the day.
Yeah.
Little girls trip. I was gonna say girls.
Girls. Despicable me.
Yes. All right, let's just go.
Yeah, let's go.
I know, parking garages are always so stressful to try and park in, but there's some like really cool old looking cars down here, so we're just gonna kind of look at them. I don't know why they're down here, but hey, like look at this. Look at this. This like really old truck. This is so cool. Wow, there's a lot of like really cool old stuff down here.
Oh wow, look.
I don't know what that is, but
what the heck, it's so crazy.
And there's another like way down there. That's another really old looking cool car.
That's so crazy.
Huh. We kind of accidentally ended up in a hotel. It looks so cool to have like those lights. What did you say?
Howdy, ma'am.
Howdy. I wish I got on camera what you said a second ago.
What did I say? The tea thing?
Yeah. We're on the search for food now. Well, we know where we're going.
I ate donut holes.
Yeah,
and had coffee. It tasted like tea. I burped.
Yeah.
It tasted like tea. I haven't had tea.
She said it a second ago before I started filming, and I was like, man, that's just great. But what was I gonna say?
You want wallaby? Just kidding.
Oh, wallaby. Yeah, so we didn't really plan too much of like where exactly we were gonna go before we came down here, so but we're both—
In half a mile, turn left onto West 2nd Street.
Thank you.
Left? Oh, Jesus Christ.
In half, no, not here. In half a mile.
Oh,
you're gonna keep going straight. Well, we're going to a restaurant that I know is good. I've eaten there before just because like we're so hungry. I was like, well, we could go to a new place, but food.
Yeah, food. Oh, okay, I got it.
We could not figure out this fucking garage.
That was so complicated.
I know, they try to make stuff like where you just touch it and wave your hand in front of it and right turn only. Okay, I don't get why parking garages have to be the most complicated things ever.
Like, just let me park for free. Damn, you already make a lot of money. Dang, sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna park here by a BMW. That won't hurt me.
There we go. Good thing we're not in a huge vehicle, so it makes parking easy. But yeah, I really don't get why parking garages have to be the most complicated thing ever, but food. What happens in the radio? Drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot, drop it like it's hot.
I'm gonna be like Allanna.
You mimicking me?
Yeah.
I mean, if it's pretty and aesthetic food, it deserves a photo.
I don't even know how to work my Insta story.
No. What?
How do I work it? How do I post it? Oh.
No, so literally just...
I have to dump on the tofu?
Yes.
Do y'all have ranch?
We don't.
I figured. It's a thank you. I feel like you're vegan. I'm like,
Look at this though.
when in doubt, wraps.
Wrap. I don't know where I was going with that.
Oh,
Where'd my phone go?
I thought I was gonna do a boomerang, but I don't know what. Oh, I meant
Your face, you're like...
not me missing.
There we go. My dream. That was great. That was...
Yeah, that's fine. You can even post that. I don't care.
Food. Glorious food.
They didn't. I can't believe it. They were like, no, we don't have ranch.
I would have asked like, what else do y'all have?
I know, I didn't. I'm like, oh, it's so good. It's so good.
You like it? Yay! Rate it. 1 to 10.
It's definitely a 10. Like, you're gonna have to edit this part out, but.
Oh, see, look, this tofu looks like chicken. That's so cool. I've never made my tofu like this. Okay. I literally ate it with my fingers when I have a fork.
I know. Cut it in half. I want to try some.
Just break it. I don't care.
Well, just cut it. I don't think I can commit.
Have you ever tried tofu?
Like once? What does it taste like? It looks like pudding. Oh my gosh.
Just use your fingers. I don't care. Because I can't cut it.
Oh no. Oh.
You said, oh no, and it reminded me of the song from TikTok where it goes, oh no, oh no.
No, I don't.
No. It doesn't have that much flavor, honestly. She's not a fan. Not a fan? Well then, more from these.
Oh, that was weird.
Like, it really doesn't taste like too much. And
I don't like the aftertaste. It was weird.
so, how bad would you rate that then?
That was like a 2.
More for me. I told her, I was like, I'll record you walking in the street, and what'd you say?
I'm gonna fall.
You like what? Spin, turn around, fall, die? And I'll get it all on camera.
Look, he's speeding. I'm dying.
You gonna spit? What? Your words didn't function? Oh wow. Do you need a hand?
Yes. Oh, I thought it was gonna be filled with water.
Oh, what? Oh. A 5-minute shower? Yeah, no, I could never. Whoopee cushions? What? There's so much stuff in here.
For your treat?
Some toast?
Some jelly.
Oh, there's a little, oh my gosh, why can't I think of what it's called? Fortune cookie. There's so many things in here that I don't even know what they do.
A penguin is.
Okay, there's little like action, like figurine thingies. Younger me would have been all over this stuff. I don't know what that is. Cool little like lava lamp looking thing.
He's stuck.
Oh.
Is that all?
But like, okay, look at all of these. I'm just, wow. Little child me would have been in so much heaven with all of these little toys. I don't even know.
Watch me flow.
Turn me over and watch me flow. It's not doing anything. It's not doing anything. Hey, do you need a fossil on a keychain?
Yes. Oh, look.
Is it doing anything?
It's coming out of the hole real quick right now.
Okay.
Wow. Is it gonna drop? Oh, look at that. Oh.
Oh. What the?
Okay. That was not that interesting.
Are you mesmerized by those?
Yeah, it's an aquarium. It's like, I can't have a fish, but I can have these.
When you want fish but don't want the responsibility of taking care of them?
This is me. I kill my fish.
Oh. We got matching rings.
Friendship goals.
Yes. I finally got a gold ring and you got a silver one.
Yeah.
What do I look like with a bucket hat? Could I pull it off? I don't know. Not too bad. I don't think it's really my vibe though.
This thing is tight.
Are you struggling?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm trying for the first time ever. We're at Joe's Coffee. They had a vegan oat nog. I love eggnog, but haven't had it in forever because it's not vegan, so this is a vegan one. It looks kind of oddly yellow.
It looks like bananas.
Yeah, kind of does, but the doggy is so cute. Okay, we're gonna see how this tastes. I don't know.
You like it?
I do like it.
Weird. That's so weird.
I do. It's
interesting.
kind of has like a weird aftertaste, I'm not gonna lie. Like, the way they described it was like oat milk and Santa's secret spices, so I can definitely taste the spices in the aftertaste. Do you want to taste it?
Sure. My reaction's gonna be fun. Look how they spelled her name.
I mean, okay, she was pretty close compared to like some other people that try. Your face already. I don't think you're gonna like it. I already know you.
I mean, honestly,
It's not the worst.
it's like, I don't like cinnamon or like.
You taste the cinnamon.
What is that?
It's
like,
spices.
it's definitely spices
You
in
can
it.
taste the spice after.
I'm like, what is that? What is it though? Like, it's something that you put like with Christmas stuff.
Nutmeg? No.
Okay, but it's actually like decently okay. It's just like I'm not a fan of it though, but it's okay.
It kind of, okay, you don't like chai either, right?
Yeah, no.
It kind of has that same aftertaste of chai.
What is that spice that I'm talking about? It's almost like have you ever did the cinnamon challenge? Maybe it is cinnamon. Maybe that's just exactly
I wouldn't
what
doubt it, yeah, if it's just cinnamon, because you don't like cinnamon either, right?
No, like I'm okay with it like on a freaking cinnamon bun, but a roll? A cinnamon roll, I meant.
Cinnamon roll. Cinnamon bun.
But it's okay, it's alright.
I
like that it's cold though, it's kind of refreshing.
Yeah. I'm not disappointed. For it being vegan, it's not bad.
Yeah.
That's why I feel like it needs to be.
past this too.
Dang. Someone went speeding and the cop was like,
Oh wait, no, it wasn't that person. I bet that person just got so scared. He pulled over and everything. He's like,
that person was like, I'm getting pulled over. They pulled over so quick.
I know, you were like, oh god. I'm prettier though.
Yeah, you are.
Well, I'm like all driving like like, why are you driving like that? Like, I'm tired.
We got the view. I got one view and then the second view. You didn't catch my compliment?
Thank you. Don't mind me just breaking my back driving.
We've been in the car for 2 hours.
Like, is retarded.
I was trying to flip out my screen. We've been stuck in traffic for 2 hours.
But look at this lighting, wow.
I know. It's surprisingly good for how dark it actually is outside. Yeah.
It's light and like, no, it's real dark behind us. And
Yeah.
That's so weird.
Yeah, the ridiculous Austin traffic. We left 2 hours ago.
Yeah, we left at freaking 4 and it's 6. How does that even make any sense?
It's still not even back yet, but